Get this wrong and you're debugging log files at 2 a.m. What it does. Linux text processing is a set of commands used to manipulate and analyze text data. The commands grep, cut, sort, uniq, and tr are essential tools for text processing. They allow you to search, extract, sort, and transform text data. Command/example. Breaking it down. The grep command searches for a pattern in a file. The pattern can be a string or a regular expression. The cut command extracts a specific field from a file. The sort command sorts a file based on a specific key. The uniq command removes duplicate lines from a sorted file. The tr command translates or replaces characters in a file. The grep command uses a regular expression engine to search for patterns. The cut command uses a delimiter to separate fields. The sort command uses a key to determine the sort order. The uniq command uses a field to determine uniqueness. The tr command uses a character set to translate characters. Common mistakes. A common mistake when using grep is not escaping special characters. For example, if you want to search for a dot, you need to escape it with a \\\. Another common mistake is not using the correct delimiter with the cut command. For example, if you want to extract a field separated by a colon, smiley face, you need to specify the delimiter as D. A common mistake when using sort is not specifying the correct key. For example, if you want to sort a file based on the second field, you need to specify the key as K2. Another common mistake is not removing duplicate lines after sorting. The uniq command can be used to remove duplicate lines. A common mistake when using tr is not specifying the correct character set. For example, if you want to replace all colons, smiley face, with dashes, you need to specify the character set as tr-. Try this next. Try using the grep command with a regular expression to search for a pattern in a file. For example, you can use the following command to search for all lines that contain a number. Try using the cut command to extract multiple fields from a file. For example, you can use the following command to extract the first and third fields. Try using the sort command to sort a file based on multiple keys. For example, you can use the following command to sort a file based on the first and second fields. Try using the uniq command to remove duplicate lines from a file based on multiple fields. For example, you can use the following command to remove duplicate lines based on the first and second fields. Try using the tr command to replace multiple characters. For example, you can use the following command to replace all colons, smiley face, and semicolons, winky face, with dashes. Pro tip: when working with large log files, it's often more efficient to use a combination of commands to process the data. For example, you can use the grep command to search for a specific pattern, and then pipe the output to the sort command to sort the results. You can also use the uniq command to remove duplicate lines after sorting. Additionally, you can use the tr command to replace characters in the output. By combining these commands, you can efficiently process large log files and extract the data you need.